Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to see the trends, the hiring trends for 2024. So from 2024 year, we have got a very good positive update, and it's that the more hiring will be there in the manufacturing in the IT industry. So let's look at those things in details. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. So let's look into the detail about the hiring trends in 2024. What kind of hiring is going to be there? Would it be a campus placement or so? These are the aspects, these are the details that we have got from various websites, various uh, platforms like LinkedIn, and those have been analyzed, and based on that we have created this video. If any of you think that in 2024 also the hiring will be slow, then please drop a comment and explain us that why you are feeling like this. So here is the detail of various companies in IT sectors as well as in manufacturing sectors. I know most of the people who have subscribed this channel are from IT. So let's start with the IT department first, IT hiring first. So TCS consultancy services, right? They told that the company will continue hiring at a normal pace, right? So they are telling that they'll continue to hire people in the 2024 also, while Infosys and Wipro have decided to skip hiring graduates this year, right? And what they will do is they will first give the jobs, they will first onboard the freshers who have been waiting for onboarding since this year or since last year, right? So that's a good decision. See, rather than hiring more people and making them sit on the bench, it would be good if you onboard the people who to whom you have already given the offer letters, right? So now, what kind of candidates would be in demand? So again, as you see, freshers, they will have campus placement opportunities. Again, the candidates more, who will have more knowledge, who will have more skill set, like, if you see from testing perspective, the automation would be getting must now, right? You should know programming, any one language, and you should know automation. You should know manual testing only, then you would be able to do test automation, right? So there will be a balance between the IT and the tech job market, right? So the the major impact that you will be seeing is on the campus hiring. This year there was not at all a campus hiring that was done, right? And industry might see a dip of 10 to 25% in overall hiring for 2024, right? This is with respect to the compared to the last year or the normal hirings that are happening. But if you see in 2023, the hiring has not started itself, right? In 2023 there were very less colleges who went for campus hiring, but in 2024 at least you will see, not up to the 100%, but yes, to 70-75% there will be an increase in that, right? In 2023 we didn't see any such statistics. In 2024, if you see, so there is a founder and CEO of Ustop. He mentioned that overall in the last couple of quarters hiring has been slowed down in the industry due to the macro environment, and will continue for another 1 or 2 quarters, but there will be a V-shaped recovery from the start of the next financial year, right? So that's a good thing. Then India's manufacturing giants in sectors such as automobile, engineering, consumer goods, energy, they are going to hire aggressively, with many increasing their intake by 15 to 30% from the class of 2024, right? They have got their various expansion plans, right? And they will be aggressively hiring the freshers as well as experienced people. Right now, if you see companies like Tata Steel, Maruti Suzuki, Vedanta, Schneider, JSW Group, L&T, those will be boosting their entry level pool with young tech savvy talent, right? And they will be going beyond IITs, IIMs. The intake will extend beyond the top IITs and IIMs to tier 2, tier 3 institutions also. Now students will be hired. If you just see the L&T, so L&T itself is planning to recruit more than 2,700 fresh graduates from top institutions such as IITs, NITs, right? This was reported by the executive vice president and CHRO, right? So not only that, but the various HRs, the various CHRO at JSW Group, they have also told that the company is planning to hire more than 2,000 freshers, including 1,600 graduate engineer trainees, right? So that's a wonderful news that we are getting. And it's overall from the market. Earlier we discussed about IT industry, where we saw that they have told that the campus placement will be starting up from TCS. If they start campus placement, it's good. While from Infosys and Wipro perspective, they'll be first onboarding the people whom they have already given the offer letter, they have hired them, right? And then they'll also go for the placement. But again, placement is less priority. First priority is getting a job, giving a job to the people who have already been offered. So these are the positive updates that we are getting. Apart from that, there is also a job opportunity which we would like to share is about MEQ software. They are hiring freshers for software engineers role, right? So if anyone is looking for software development, the coding, programming kind of a role, programming kind of a job, then you can just fill up this form. Location is Noida, Mumbai, or Hyderabad. New graduates are welcome to apply. 0 to 2 years of experience, again, freshers, and again, graduates from the class of 2021, 2022, 2023 with a BE, BTech in computer science or IT are eligible for this job. So I'll be putting this link in the comment section of this video. And apart from that, please let me know what kind of videos you are looking for. We have been uploading mock interviews, we have been uploading job interviews. So let us know what kind of other videos you would like to see. Still that, take care, right? And wish you all the best for your career. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.